As a young adult, you like to make some decisions on your personal finance. Finance is not something everybody knows, and so we are going to discuss how young adults can take care of their personal finance and what knowledge they should have. Stick around as we go through this. First step you should take for you to manage your finance is you should be able to budget. I made a video on budgeting, and you can refer to that in my earlier videos. And when you look up here, there's a link, you can click on it to go back on budgeting if you've not learned how to do budgeting. So first thing is you should budget. You should track your expenses, and you should know what comes in and what goes out. And that should help you in your personal finance. After you are done having your budget, the next thing you should do is you should build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a fund that you save in it, and you don't take anything out of that fund unless you have an emergency. So it is not one that you go to take money from for entertainment or to feed somebody or to send anything to anybody. No, it's not for charity or whatever. It's for emergency. And it's usually a savings account that you create where you put funds in it for emergency. So make sure you open an account where you can withdraw the money as fast as possible, or the process for withdrawing the money is faster. That is what you should do for your emergency fund. After budgeting and having an emergency fund, the next thing you should do is start paying out your high interest debts, such as overdraft, credit card. Those are the debts you should pay off. You can even use the snowball strategy, where you pay off your little debts gradually, and then you climb up and then pay the highest or the bigger debts. So you start with the smaller debts, the debts you owe to your colleagues, the little debts, and then you go up to maybe your student loans and all that. That's what we call the snowball strategy. You can do that. Make sure you pay off your debts, your high interest debts first. Finally, start investing for the future. They say you save money now and it helps you, it saves you later on. That's the only language that money speaks. So make sure you invest now, and you can do that in smaller amounts. I gave some investing tips in the videos, just a video I posted last week. So you can go there, and I'll even put the link. The link is somewhere up there. Check that link. You see an investing advice on where to invest. So start investing, start putting your money down. You can do it slow. You can save your money slow. That is going to help you invest. If you're somebody who likes finance, forex, and then if you're somebody who loves tech, finance, and forex, I'd advise you subscribe and then put on the notification button so that anytime I post, you get advice or you get the information first. Here we do tech, finance, and forex. Thank you.